Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the fade of a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture, press on adjustments down below and press on fade now. And you can just swipe to the left or to the right and you will be able to manage the fade of that picture. After that you can just simply leave or continue editing depending what you want to do. But either way, you can save the change that you have made there. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.